today's topic is geometric progression. GP. Simply we will call it as GP. So what is a GP? What is an arithmetic progression? Already we discussed. What is a geometric progression means? If ratio between two consecutive terms is same, then that sequence or then that progression is called as a geometric progression. What is arithmetic progression? If difference between two consecutive terms is same, then it is called arithmetic progression. Similarly, what is geometric progression means? If ratio between two consecutive terms is same, then that sequence is called as geometric sequence or geometric progression. Suppose let A1 comma A2 comma A3 comma so on AN is a given sequence, then A2 by A1 is equal to A3 by A2 is equal to A4 by A3 is equal to so on AN by AN minus 1 equal to same. Then it is called geometric progression. See, A1, A2, A3, so on, AN is a given sequence. Ratio between second term by first term it must be equal to ratio between third term by second term equal to ratio between fourth term by third term. Similarly, so on, ratio between AN by AN minus 1. If ratio between two consecutive terms is same, then that sequence is called geometric sequence or geometric progression. Standard form of a GP. Standard form of a GP. What is standard form of AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on, A plus n minus 1 into D is called standard form of AP. Similarly, what is standard form of a GP means? Let A denotes the first term, comma, R denotes the common ratio, then A, comma, AR square, comma, AR cube, comma, so on is called as standard form of a GB. See, first term is A, second term is AR, third term is AR square, fourth term is AR cube. What is AR by A? AR by A is equal to R. Similarly, AR square by AR, AA gets cancelled, RR gets cancelled, R. Similarly, AR cube by AR square, AA gets cancelled, R cube, R square gets cancelled, R. See, ratio between two consecutive terms is equal to R. Therefore, it is called GP. Next, what is nth term in GP? What is nth term in GP means? See, this is called first term, second term, third. This is fourth term. Similarly, what is nth term? Nth term of a GP. See, first term A, second term AR. Here in first term R power is how much? Nothing is there means we can write it as R power 0. In second term A is common in every term. In the second term R power is 1. In the third term R power is 2. In the fourth term R power is 3. Fourth term R power 3. Third term R power 2. Second term R power is 1. First term R power is 0. That means based on this sequence we can guess what is nth term. So A is common in every term. Next, R is also common in every term. Third term power 2. Fourth term power 3. Second term power 1. This similarly nth term power is n minus 1. This is called nth term. So what is the formula for nth term of a GP? Nth term of a GP formula is A into R power n minus 1. A into R power n minus 1. Nth term formula is A into R power n minus 1. Sum of n terms of a GP. Let A comma AR comma AR square comma AR cube comma so on AR power n minus 1 is the standard form of a GP. Is the standard form of a GP where A denotes first term, where A denotes first term and R denotes common ratio. R denotes common ratio. Let A, AR, AR square, AR cube, so on, AR power n minus 1 is the standard form of a GP where A denotes the, what is A denotes first term and R denotes the common ratio. What we need to find? Sum of n terms of a GP. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. How many terms are given? N terms. Sum of these n terms. Sum of S. Let Sn denotes the. Let Sn denotes the sum of n terms of a GP. Sum of n terms of a GP. Then Sn is equal to sum. Add all the terms. First term, second term, third term, AR square, AR cube, plus so on, plus A into R power n minus 1. Let Sn denote the sum of n terms. Sum of how many terms? N terms of a GP. Next, case 1. Let R is equal to 1. If R is 1, Sn will become Sn is equal to A plus R value is 1 into A. R value is 1 square is 1 into A plus so on plus A. So Sn is equal to A plus A 2A. A plus A plus A 3A. If you add 3A's, you will get 3A's. If you add 4A's, 4A. Then similarly, how many A's are there here? N A's. So therefore Sn is equal to Na. Sn is equal to Na. Let this is equation number 2. Case 2. What is case 2? If R not equal to 1. If R not equal to 1. Here R equal to 1. Here R not equal to 1. Then what is Sn is equal to? A plus AR plus AR square plus so on A into R power n minus 1. Multiplying both sides with R. If you multiply both sides with R, R into Sn is equal to AR plus AR square plus AR cube plus so on A into R power n. Let this is equation number. Subtracting 3 from 1. Subtracting equation number 3 from equation number 1. Here Sn is there, here Rsn is there. Sn minus equation number 3 is Rsn. R into Sn is equal to here right hand side what is it? A plus AR square plus so AR cube plus so on plus A into R power n minus 1 minus Rsn minus, if you multiply every term with minus, you get minus AR square minus AR cube minus so on minus A into R power n. So plus AR minus AR plus AR square minus AR square plus AR cube minus AR cube. All terms gets cancelled. Sn is common in left hand side. 1 minus R is equal to A finally minus AR1 A into R power n will remain. So Sn is equal to 1 minus r into a is common, 1 minus r power n. So Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. This is the formula for nth term of a GP where r less than 1. This is the formula for sum of n terms of a GP. Sum of n terms of a GP. Or Sn is equal to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 where r greater than 1. So ratio greater than 1. Common ratio is more than 1. This is the formula. If common ratio is less than 1, this is the formula. There are two formulas for sum of n terms of a GP. Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r, or Sn is equal to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Depends on r. If r is less than 1, if r is greater than 1. Find the exercise 9.3. Find the 20th and nth terms of a GP 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8, so on. Let the given sequence is, in the given sequence, first term is a. Let a is equal to 5 by 2. So first term always we will consider it as a. Next, common ratio. Common ratio means it should be same between two consecutive terms. If you take 5 by 4 by 5 by 2, second term by first term, how much we are getting? 2 by 5. 5 gets cancelled, 1 by 2. Similarly, 5 by 8 by 5 by 4. Third term by second term. If you observe by third term by second term, then you will get 5 by 8 into 4 by 5. 5 gets cancelled, 4 2 times 1 by 2. See, common ratio is same between two consecutive terms. That means they are in GP. When they are in GP, first term is A and the common ratio is how much? 5 by 4 by 5 by 2. 5 by 4 into 2 by 5. 5 gets cancelled, 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means 2. So what to find? 20th term and nth term. 20th term. What is the formula for nth term of a GP? Nth term formula is an is equal to a into r power n minus 1. This is the formula to find the nth term of a GP. So 20th term is A20 is equal to a into a means 5 by 2 into r. Common ratio is how much? 1 by 2 in whole power n minus 1. 5 into 1 power anything 1 by 2 into 2 power n minus 1. 5 into 1 5 by 2 bases are equal. If bases are equal, add the powers. 2 power 1 plus n minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. 5 by 2 power n. Therefore, so here 20th term we want. So n value is, we should replace with 20. 20 minus 1. 20 minus 1. That means 19. 2 power 1 plus 19. 2 power 20. 5 by 2 power 20 is the answer. 5 by 2 power 20 is the 20th term. Similarly, what is nth term means? A into r power n minus 1. A value 5 by 2 into n 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1. 5 into 1 power anything 1 by 2 into 2 power n minus 1. 5 into 1 5 by 2 power 1 plus n minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. 5 by 2 power n is the nth term of a given GP. Find the 12th term of a GP whose 8th term is 192 and the common ratio is 2. Let A denotes first term. Let A denotes the first term and R denotes the common ratio. R denotes the common ratio. R denotes the common ratio. Then A comma AR comma AR square comma AR cube comma so on. A into R power n minus 1 denotes the GP, standard form of a GP. Here what is given? Find the 12th term. 12th term is how much? whose eighth term is 192. Given eighth term is 192 and find common ratio is also given. R equal to how much? Given R is equal to 2 and eighth term is given. Eighth term, first, second, third, fourth. Fourth term means AR cube. Similarly, eighth term means A into R power 7 is equal to how much is given? 192. So A8 is equal to A into R power 7 is equal to 192. A into R value is given. R is how much? 2 power 7. 2 power 7 is A into 2 power 7 is 192. A into 128 is equal to 192. So A is equal to 192 by 128. 96 by 64. A is equal to 3 by 2. So A value is 3 by 2. R value is common ratio is how much? R is equal to 2. Find the which term? 12th term. 12th term. A12 is equal to A into R power 11. A value is how much? 3 by 2 into R value, common ratio value 2. 2 power 11. So A12 is equal to 3 by 2 into 2 power 11. 2 gets cancelled. 3 into 2 power 10 is the 10th term of a GP. Next, third problem. The 5th, 8th and 11th terms of a GP are P, Q, S respectively. Show that Q square equal to PS. Let A denotes the first term. Let A denotes the first term, comma, R denotes the common ratio of a GP, common ratio of a GP. Then A, comma, AR, comma, AR square, comma, AR cube, so on, A into R power n minus 1 denotes the standard form of a GP. In this fifth term, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth, that means A5, fifth term is equal to A into R power 4 is equal to how much? Fifth term is P, small p. Next, eighth term, A8 is equal to A into R power 7 is equal to Q. Next, 11th term, A11 is equal to A into R power 10 is equal to S, PQ, S. Fifth term is P, 8th term is Q and 11th term is S. What we have to prove? Show that Q square equal to PS. Q value is how much? A into R power 7. Q square. So Q is A into R power 7. Q square means A into R power 7 whole square. So this will become A square into R power 14. A square into R power 14. Next, equal to what we have to prove? P into S. What is P? P is A into R power 4 into S. S is A into R power 10. A into A square. R bases are equal. If you add the powers, 4 plus 10. A square into R power 14. So A square into R power 14, A square into R power 14. Therefore, Q square is equal to PS. Fourth problem. The fourth term of a GP is square of its second term. Then and first term is minus 3. Determine its seventh term. Let small a denote the first term. Let small a denotes the first term. R denotes the common ratio. common ratio of a standard form of a GP, then a comma ar square comma ar cube comma so on ar power n minus 1 denotes standard form of a GP. In this fourth term of a GP, 1 2 3 4, fourth term a4 is equal to fourth term of a GP is equal to square of its second term. Second term is a2 whole square, a2 whole square. So fourth term is 1 2 3 4. What is fourth term? A into r cube is equal to a2 square. A2 means ar whole square. So ar cube is equal to a into r cube is equal to a square into r power 2. So a gets cancelled, r gets cancelled. So a is equal to r. Given first term is given a is equal to how much? Minus 3. First term value is given minus 3. Therefore r is also equal to minus 3. R is also equal to minus 3. Next, what we have to find? Determine its seventh term. Seventh term means a7, a into r power 6. So a7 is equal to minus 3. A value minus 3 into r value minus 3 whole power 6. Minus 3 whole power 7. Therefore, what is a7? Minus 3 whole power 7 is the seventh term of a GP.